question asked here is, with the help of a diagram, explain the process of refining of copper by electrolysis. So the answer is, blister copper contains 98% of pure copper and 2% of the impurities and is purified by the electrolytic refining. For electrolytic refining, copper we use cathode as a thin plate of pure copper, right? And at anode a block of impure copper, or we can say that this anode electrode is made up of impure copper, right? And for this we use the electrolytic solution of copper sulfate in the presence of acid, that is H2SO4, also known as sulfuric acid, right? You can see here the experimental setup where anode is made up of impure copper and cathode is made up of a thin sheet of pure copper. When electric current is passes through the electrolytic solution, pure copper get deposited at the cathode and the impurity settles down at the bottom of the anode and is known as the anode mud. So first what happened, pure coppers from anode displaces into the solution and the solution's copper will get deposited on the cathode. So at cathode we get the pure copper deposition, right? And the impurities from the anode get settled down on the bottom and it is known as anode mud, right? The second question is, how are the broken railway tracks joined? Give the name of the process and the chemical equation of the reaction involved. So the railway tracks are joined with the help of thermite reaction. In thermite reaction, ferric oxide in solid state reacts with aluminium in powder form. It gives iron in molten state and aluminium oxide in solid state, and this reaction will result in the formation of large amount of heat, and this heat will be used in the joining of broken railway tracks or the welding of broken railway tracks. So I hope these questions are now clear to you. Thank you.